almost had a heart attack. Okay. Hey everybody, Sierra Media Gal here. Welcome back to my channel. It is officially September, which means in my book and on this channel, it is now autumn. My favorite time of year. I don't do enough autumn content on this channel. I wish I could do more, but between real life stuff and trying to find time to post videos is just tough, but oh, I'm already rambling. Anyway, today I am doing a Harry Potter haul for you for the month of September. My goal is to not have another haul for you guys until at least November, if not December. The reason being, if you watched my most recent video, which was sort of a get ready with me, I talked in that video quite a bit about going on a vacation soon. I am going to be going to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, so I'm sure I will be picking up some goodies then. So between now and mid-October, I am trying desperately to be good about spending money. This is all stuff that I have bought over the summer, but going forward, I'm going to try to be good until my trip. Once I'm there, all bets are off. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Sierra Media Gal, also known as Andrea in the fandom and fanfiction world. I do a lot of Harry Potter related content on this channel, also some autumn content as well. So if any of that interests you at all, be sure to click the subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell so that you get alerts of when I upload a video. Also, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you enjoy it, I'd really appreciate it. It supports my channel. I have some very interesting stuff to share with you guys, so let's jump right into the magical goodies. Where am I gonna start? Okay, I am going to start with a bookmark that I recently bought off of Etsy from the same seller that I showed in my, I believe it was my April Harry Potter haul. I will leave a link to that up here. I believe this shop is called Snaggle Shop or something like that. I will leave all of her details down below. I bought this really funny Snape sticker set. You'll want to go back and see those. They're pretty funny. But I decided to also buy the bookmark because I'd been eyeing that for a while. So here he is, all squashed. Pretty cute. And then there's the back of him. I love his little Slytherin socks. See those? They're green and white and striped. I just thought this was fun. I love her stuff. Snagglefrack, that's what her name is. It's right here on the back. But she has a lot of different character bookmarks and stickers on her Etsy shop, and they're all pretty quirky and cute. So I just finally decided I needed him in my life. He was only a couple dollars, very inexpensive. So if you're interested in purchasing him, the link will be down below for you. Next is a piece that I had seen available for pre-order months ago, and it was for one of the Department 56 figurines. I don't collect those because that's one more thing for me to collect. They're very expensive. They're beautiful though. I've always wanted the Hogwarts castle, but it's like $200 or something, and I can't rationalize that. I just can't. Maybe one day. However, I saw that there was a Snape and McGonagal Department 56 figurine, so I decided I needed them. Snape and McGonagal. I love McGonagal. Love their friendship. I have several like hardcore headcanons about these two. So I'm really excited that I not only was able to get Snape and McGonagal as well. They're very small. In fact, they're a little bit smaller than I thought they would be, but again, I don't collect the Department 56 figurines, so had I known that, or paid attention to measurements, as I say in like every single video of mine, I would already be aware of that. I got mine off of eBay. They're generally anywhere from $30 to $40. I was able to snatch mine for $25 with shipping, so I thought that was pretty good. The detail is really, really beautiful, and I love it. I would love to get the Hogwarts castle as well and be able to display them all together, but for now, I just have these two, and I'm really, really happy. Next is another purchase from eBay, and it was one of those where I was scrolling and looking for stuff, and as soon as I saw it, I thought, I need to snag that. If I don't, somebody else is gonna buy it by the time I decide that I've regretted not buying it and want to go back and get it. So I haven't taken it out of the packaging yet, but it is this Snape Harry Potter Christmas ornament. I don't know if I should open it or not because the top is pretty like put together. I'm afraid of ripping it trying to get it open, so maybe I'll do that some other time. Here is angry looking Snape. Look how beautiful he looks. There's actually 3 of him painted on here. Looks like he's inside of a mirror, and then there's a couple additional Christmas balls, red and blue Christmas balls on there. Oh, actually there's some red Christmas balls and then there's some blue. They look like potion vials. I thought they were Christmas balls. There is a gold ribbon on top there. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, again, I haven't decided if I want to take him out of the packaging or keep him in there and keep him really nicely intact. So this is called the Severus Snape Hanging Ornament. It's from Enesco. This predates the movie, so it's back from like the year 2000, 2001. And I just think it's so beautiful. I haven't seen this on eBay before. This was the first time I'd seen it. So to me, I thought, okay, this is a rare item that I have to snag right away or I won't be able to get him. Yeah, he was just somebody I had to add to my collection, and of course, even though he's a Christmas ornament, I will keep him out year-round because it's just too cool. Next, I was a bit of a sucker because if you haven't watched it recently, I did my first Lit Joy Crate Magical Edition unboxing. If you aren't familiar with those, I will leave a link to it up here. I bought year 6, which would have been Half-Blood Prince. They've been doing them by year, the boxes by year. They come out every couple months, and they are by far the most authentic, most intricate, universally the most loved Harry Potter subscription box out there. Get anywhere from 15 to 20 items in the box, and they're all really well crafted, really well done. Unfortunately, I found out about this magical subscription box very, very late. But every so often, they will put items from the old boxes up on their website that you can buy. And they were running like, I think it was like a 30% off sale. So I couldn't resist a couple of things that I'd seen. So in the year 6 box, and they have had them in all previous year boxes for the Harry Potter series, were these magnet bookmarks in different characters, and I forget what I got. You can go back and watch, but I thought, okay, if there's a chance that in their shop they're reselling Snape, who was in, I think, year 3, Prisoner of Azkaban, or Hermione, who was in year 1 for Stone, I thought I have to get those. Naturally, I did. I got both sets. These are a Lit Joy Crate exclusive, so they're not from a specific seller on Etsy, for instance. So here they are. This one is from year 1, so you've got Ron, Harry, and Hermione. They're the same on both sides. They are so, so cute. And then this is from year 3, and of course, you've got Snape. Bogart Snape, actually. And then the fat lady, and then the Shrieking Head from the Night Bus. This one is definitely my favorite, not just because of Snape, believe it or not, but I love the Shrieking Head was one of the characters that they included as a magnet. I will try to leave all the pricing of everything down below because I bought this stuff over the past several months, so I really honestly don't remember. But yeah, I got both sets, so now I have both Snape and Hermione, which is the main thing. And then I couldn't resist picking up a couple more magnets because believe it or not, I actually need magnets for our fridge. So I thought these were really cute. These are 3 Malfoy. So one of them is Draco, and the artwork itself is so beautiful. The next is Lucius, which was kind of the main reason why I wanted to get this. The last one is actually a quote, and it says, "My father will hear about this." They're good size too. They're relatively big, hefty, so like they're good quality. Artwork is so pretty. And then lastly was probably the main reason that I decided to go back and do some shopping, because I'd seen this in the year 5 Lit Joy Crate box, Order the Phoenix, and I thought that is an absolutely stunning replica. If I can get my hands on that, I absolutely have to. It sold out on their website fairly quickly, and I thought, okay, there was my chance. But then luckily, they restocked, so I was able to finally pick up my own. It is in this beautiful navy box. You open it up, and it's gonna be kind of hard to see there, guys, but that is the prophecy. It comes in this beautiful casing, and it's kind of hard for me to show this on camera. It says here, "Neither can live while the other survives," in this really beautiful text. I just thought that is such a cool replica. I haven't seen it anywhere else. I haven't seen any other subscription box certainly do it. This one was kind of hefty. I believe it was about $30, if not a little bit more, but it's stunning, and it's really heavy too. Great quality, which you always expect with their products. But what's nice too is if you don't want to display it in this box, it comes with the the stand. So you can prop it on here. I'm half afraid to do this. I really need to do this on a on a flat surface. But then it comes with a little tag on it too, just like it does in the film and in the book. And it says SPT to APWBD, Dark Lord and ? Harry Potter. And there's the stand. So I have a feeling, depending on where I decide I want to display this, I'm going to display it like this. But the box is really, really beautiful too. And I'm gonna keep it in here right now for safekeeping. I am a sucker for replicas. Again, I'm very particular about what I like to collect from Harry Potter, and I'm very particular even when it comes to replicas, but this was one that I thought, well, I would love to have this. It's not Snape related, but it's so stunning. Joy Crate's attention to detail is like second to none. And I can't wait to hopefully one day have a Harry Potter room where I can really proudly display this because it's so beautiful. Put that safely tucked in here for now. All things considered, I think I did pretty well this summer and not like spending all of my money on Harry Potter because we're already at the last item. So the last item was one that I bought off of eBay, trusty old eBay. It's an Eaglemoss figure. Eaglemoss has been around for a while, I believe, and they do several different fandoms. They do very intricate, but they're very small figurines. And they've done a number of Harry Potter characters. I haven't taken it out of the packaging yet, so I'm going to do that with you guys today so that we can examine him up close. This is the movie scene collection, Severus Snape, Harry Potter, Philosopher's Stone. And what I love about this one is, unlike, most figurines, whether it's Eaglemoss or something else, Snape is actually seated in one of the chairs from the head table. So I thought that was really cool. It's the very first scene that you see of Alan Rickman in Philosopher's Stone, where he's actually looking at Harry Potter. It looks so, so detailed. It comes in this kind of just very simple packaging, so this is something I'm not gonna mind opening up and taking out. Yeesh. Wow. Wow. I mean, he's so tiny, but the attention to detail, including the chair too, man. But you can see all the buttons running up along his wrist there. You can see every finger. His face is very detailed, even like the individual lines in his hair. Beautiful. I paid a hefty price for him too because he is no longer available. It's actually from the UK. I couldn't find a US seller that was selling him. $30 for him. Which I know some people would be like, wow, that's too steep, but he's a collectible. I think the current Eaglemoss Snape is from year 2, and it's of him standing and he's like kind of holding the upper part of his robes. I will of course have to get that one at some point. And what I'm also noticing too, and maybe you guys can enlighten me about this, back in November, so almost a year ago from 2018, I unboxed a Snape figurine and a Hermione figurine from an Italian seller. And that series was called Di Gastini, but I think actually Di Gastini, and I'm probably butchering the Italian, I'm sorry, and Eaglemoss, I believe they're the same company or they're sister companies because that figurine and this one are like exactly the same. Like it's not him sitting, obviously, he's in a different position, but they're the same size, the same kind of detailing, like they're almost identical. I think that other one that I have is also an Eaglemoss figurine, actually. So yeah, now I've got 2. Well, technically 3 because I've got Hermione as well. But what I also loved, and I didn't realize this, that the seller included, I don't know if all of the Eaglemosses come with this or not. So if you're familiar with these figurines, feel free to, again, let me know down in the comments. But it came with this movie scene collection. What would you call this? A magazine or brochure? Brochure. Yeah, the Sorting Ceremony, Professor Snape. That's what he's officially called. So you open it up. Oh, it comes with this little note from Eaglemoss. It's like a whole guide. There's an introduction, an overview of the model, character moments, the world of Harry Potter. It's really, really cool. That's so extra, but I love it. And then you get some really neat close-ups of the figurine itself. Alan Rickman's Snape. Some key scenes from Philosopher's Stone, and then a thing about the Hogwarts classes and other professors, McGonagal. Oh, and this is another one that they're advertising for Hooch. So I'm gonna have to find a really clever way to display both of these. I mean, to some people this might be a bit much, but not to me. Like as a collector, this is the kind of stuff that I'm like itching to get my hands on. So yeah, I thought that was well worth buying. And there we have it. That is my Harry Potter haul for the month of September. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below and let me know which of these was your favorite. I don't know if I can pick one. I mean, to be perfectly honest, it's probably this. But I love all of them. Obviously, I spent the money, so I ought to like it. I'm gonna try and be good and not have another Harry Potter haul from you guys for a couple months. We will see what goodies I end up buying at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. I'm so excited. I've been there once before and spent way too much money. Prepare yourselves. I'm probably gonna have a fairly decent haul for you. Enough of my jabbering. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Would love to have you as a subscriber and be able to fangirl about all the Harry Potter things, because that is like my life. And I hope you're doing well wherever you are, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye. Oh, I need to take this off. I need to take this off. Hey, we're lit. Lit crate. Joy crate, or is it lit crate joy? I always get them mixed up. Ooh. Oh, I'm hot, I'm hot, I'm hot, I'm hot, I'm hot. What are these called? Department, what are these called? Department 56, I think, okay. Oh my god, I'm blanking on her. Who is she? From the Gryffindor common room. What's her name, though? There we go. If you watched... This is gonna be a sweaty video.